Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and get started with this video. So Rosalind was kind enough to send me for PR this beautiful acrylic powder, and it is soft pink. Okay, so here I'm just pulling out the user guide for some of those of you that don't know how to use acrylic powder. Here are the instruction, and it lets you know what is acrylic powder. So if you would like to stop the video to read this, you are more than welcome to do so. So inside of this instruction manual, there is tells you how to use with the nail extension. It tells you how to do it with nail carving and how to remove, as well as DIY nail art. So on the back, it does have question and answer, just in case you do have any questions or concern about the acrylic powder. So okay, so we're going to go ahead and take out the star of the show. And here she is, and it is a 50-gram jar, and also she is gorgeous. We're going to go ahead and open her up, and I like how it comes sealed, just in case it does have a little bit of spillage, which it didn't, so it was sealed nicely. And she is a beautiful pink. And it is soft pink. She's really beautiful. She's really gorgeous. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and swatch her. And please excuse my crusty nails. I do have to redo my nails. They look in a hot mess. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and swatch this, and I will let you go ahead and enjoy this swatch, and I will return when I'm done. All right, so here she is, all swatched and beautiful looking. She is a very, how can I say it, like a translucent acrylic. And this is her after she's completely dry. So she is very translucent. She's very sheer. But if you like sheer acrylic, I mean, you can also use this as a, when you encapsulate your nails, and you don't have to, if you just want like a nice little tint pink to your nails, you can go ahead and use her as an encapsulation. And yeah, so if you are interested in purchasing this Rosalind acrylic powder, I will leave the link down in the description box down below, so that way you can go ahead and take a look at her and yeah, get her. And I also will have her in my Amazon storefront. So we're going to go ahead and apply this acrylic. I am not really good at acrylic just yet, but I'm getting better. I was worse than this, believe me, I was worse than this. But with this one, I particularly like to work with wetter beads, so that, I mean, I feel like I can control the bead a little bit more than if it was like more firm. Everybody's different. I don't use the 3-bead method. As you can see, as I am applying this acrylic, I really do enjoy this acrylic. She's very easy to use. Also, I forgot to say that I am using my JC Beauty Concept acrylic brush in a size 10, and I am using Valentino monomer. And so like right there, as you can see, you did see that she is sheer, but she's very pretty. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply a few beads to my satisfaction. I just want to make sure that my apex is good. Well, the nail already has an apex. I am using the Nail Couture Extreme Square Full Cover Nail Tips. And it's really, if you're not really good at using acrylic, this would be like, if you use the full cover nail tips, it's really good practice for you. So that way you can practice on your apex and where it's supposed to be, and etc. But I am using a very thin layer of this acrylic. I'm just making sure that it is even, everything is even on the nails. I'm making sure I'm keeping my size in. And yeah, so she's looking good. The tint is really pretty. This is a very pretty tint. So I'm just smoothing her out to make sure she's even and everything is balanced. So as you can see, I'm showing you from every angle how it looks. And I'm just going to speed this part up because you already saw me apply that other one and the other nail. So I'm just going to apply another thin layer of this acrylic. And I will let you watch the process and I will return.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
All right, so I did apply that first thin layer to my nails. So while she is still wet before she dry, I am going to go ahead and put on these beautiful hearts. And I know Valentine's is over, but I had to get in one at least, but February is not over. So Valentine's is over, but I wasn't really going for a Valentine look, but I did want to just use some hearts. And I'm not sure where I received these hearts from, but they are gorgeous. They are in different colors. So I decided to do the nails different color of the hearts. And this one I am using the pink, and I am just applying that to the nail. And then I will apply another thin layer of the acrylic. Like I said, I am going to go ahead and, like I said before, you can use this acrylic powder to encapsulate, just to give yourself like a nice pretty tint. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate these hearts. Okay, so she's all encapsulated with the acrylic powder. She's looking cute, and I love that nice tint. So here I'm showing you, so here I did all the nails off camera, and I did the hearts different color, the fingers, not the hearts. I did the fingers different colors. So here I'm just going to go ahead and file and buff and all that good stuff. Just kind of get her a little crisp. And I am using my Makartt nail file, and I do have a discount code with Makartt. And if you're interested in my discount code or purchasing anything from Makartt, I do have the link in the description box down below. And yeah, so how you guys doing? I know it's been a while since I have did a YouTube video. I think it's been about maybe a month. And I really do miss you guys. I don't know if you miss me, but if you don't, it's okay, because I miss you guys, but it's all good. So here I'm just going to go ahead and buff her, and I am using a fine sanding band. And I didn't, okay, so by the acrylic being like really thin, that I was applying a really thin layer on my nails, some of the hearts did come off. So that's what I was just showing you right there. So some of it did come off, but that's okay. She still looked cute. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and polish them with a top coat, with a shiny top coat. And after that, I will go ahead and apply some beautiful nail charms. And yeah, so I will let you go ahead and watch this part, and I will return. Okay, so I want to go ahead and talk a little bit about this acrylic. This acrylic, I really enjoy using this acrylic. It's very easy to use and it's very, very beginner friendly. Like I said, I like to use more of a wetter bead. To me, I feel like I have more control over the bead, but this is for people that's like really advanced in using acrylic. Not for you. And this one is very beginner friendly. So if you just want to practice with acrylic and you're very new to it, this is the acrylic for you. So I highly recommend this acrylic. So as you saw, I did put on some nail charms by the Cuticle, and she's looking cute, and I did cure that for 30 seconds. So here I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of the Makartt rhinestone glue, so that way I can go ahead and glue down the charms, and I will let you go ahead and watch that part and I will return. I just want to say thank you so much if you made it this far in the video. I do appreciate you. And also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really will help me out in the long run. And I know I haven't been really consistent with my nail videos and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent with uploading videos. I wanted to start uploading on Saturdays. I was doing real good at one point and I did kind of fell off, and yeah, I just want to get back to it and doing what I love to do. So here you can see that I am applying the charms to my nails, and yeah, that would be the end of that. And I did cure that for 60 seconds, and after this I will be applying some cuticle oil. And I just want to let you guys know that I am happy to say that I finally have a small business, and my business is Cuticle Oils. So all my cuticle oils have different scent. It comes with vanilla, sparkling limoncello, and all that good stuff. And they are 100% pure, natural, and organic oils. I do hand make them. I'm sorry, not hand make them, but I do make them on how you say it, I make them made to order. That's what I was looking for. But yeah, I will leave my link down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing some cuticle oils from me. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on my next upload. Until then, toodles.